Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook momo. If you want to know that, then keep on watching. So for making momo, you need chicken. Of course, if you are making chicken momo, you need some chicken. And if you are making veg momo, instead of chicken, use some carrot and cabbage. So today I'm going to make chicken momo. So I need some chicken. So this is a chicken breast. So that is the boneless chicken you need, and then you need little bit of onion. So I have finely chopped this onion. You can chop it as much small as you can make it. So this is what I could make, and yeah, this is the finely chopped onion. And you need little bit of garlic. This is the garlic. This is also same size, finely chopped garlic. And then you need finely chopped ginger. So ginger you need less than onion and garlic, because if you add more ginger, it may be strong enough and it can damage the taste. And if you want, you can add green chili also. So I think the green chilies children cannot eat, but you can add if you want a little bit of more spicy to it. So this is how the chopped chili looks. Next, I'm going to take this chicken breast and put it in a mixie. And dice into small pieces. So I'm going to use this ginger option. This is how the chicken looks. Now I'm going to put it in a bowl. Add the onion, add the ginger, add the garlic, and add the chili. I'm also going to add a little bit of oil, vegetable white oil. Little bit, 1 to 2 spoons, and little bit of salt to taste. And then I'm going to mix everything together. Remember, the chicken should be raw only. This is going to be cooked in the steam only. I'm going to mix nicely. And you will see a shiny, beautiful, you will see a shiny mixture of chicken, onion, garlic, ginger, chili. Because of the oil, it will shine nicely. If you feel you need some more oil, you can add a little bit. Generally, I need 2 spoons of oil. Tablespoon of oil. After mixing, you can decide if you want some more or not. Next, we are going to make the dough with some maida, salt, and water. So I'm going to mix little bit of maida. I think 1 cup of maida. Yes, you need oil also. Sprinkle some salt, this much of salt. Mix the salt and the maida nicely so that they mix nicely. Once they are mixed, put 1 tablespoon of oil. That is enough. And mix nicely. Now pour some water and make the dough. This is how the dough looks. Next I am going to make small balls of it. Small balls of it like this. We need much smaller than a puri. And pour it in the puri. And so we are going to roll the mixture with the puri and try to make a pouch. So it is similar to whatever you make before paratha. Before any kind of stuffed aloo paratha or any kind of paratha, whatever you make, same thing you have to do. Next you need a rice cooker. So I have a rice cooker and I am pouring some water in this bowl which comes with the rice cooker, and I am going to turn on the rice cooker. Meantime I keep the momos in this portion. This is the portion above the rice cooker and we are going to cook the momo in a steam. Once the water starts boiling like this, take the momo and keep it up and cover it. Let it be there for 20 minutes. Yes, your momo is ready to eat. Thank you so much. If you have liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. Today I am trying to make different type of thing. If you liked it, please let me know in the comment section below, and let me know if you have cooked momo like this. It is very easy and very tasty and very healthy also. You don't need much oil or anything for this. You can make it for dinner or breakfast. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.